Hey people, this is my second vlog, which I thought I'd do over the Maker Central weekend, as there probably won't be anyone with a camera there, right? Now I'll do a quick update of what's in the workshop before I head on off to Maker Central. Now, I've done a few projects since my last vlog, including my YouTube sub counter and wooden pirate cutlass, so please check out those videos if you haven't already. A lot happier that there's now a load of content on my YouTube channel, and I've got so many great ideas for more content, so please keep subscribed. I'm really pleased that I got my laser cutter working as well, although she still needs a few more tweaks just to get it perfect, and I'm hoping I can use her for some projects soon. I've also got some lighting from my uncle, very generously donated, that will hopefully improve the quality of my videos just that little bit, and instead of seeing this pasty white ghost appear on the screen, you might see something that looks a little bit better. Also on the bench is something I really wanted to do for Maker Central, but unfortunately ran out of time, and that was a makey version of the game Operation. This would work a little bit different to standard game, perhaps with a little bit of motorization to make him move around, just to add an extra cruel challenge. Plus I had a few sound effects queued up that would make things a little bit more interesting, other than the normal just buzzer on his nose.
Why does it hurt so much? What are you doing to me?
Hear that? I vowed to myself I'm not going to leave this project now that the show's out of the way, though, because there's going to be other events and stuff coming up, so I should really get this done. So this weekend is of course Maker Central weekend, and if you don't know about this event at this point, you have been living under a rock, my friend. Now, I'm not going to go into details about what the event is, but if you really want to know about it, just go to www.makercentral.co.uk, link will be in the description, and you'll find, in summary, it's an epic meetup of makers from all around the world, all different nationalities, ages, etc. It all crammed into the NEC in Birmingham, just doing awesome making stuff and meeting each other and doing amazing things. And I'll be there partly under the So Make It banner, which is my local makerspace, and partly to help my friend James Bruton of X-Robots cover his stand. Now, he'll also be giving me a lift there and back, 2.5 hour drive, so very grateful for that, James. Although I may take advantage and perhaps do an interview with him while we're on our way, because I'm sure people want to hear about the awesome stuff he does. And in fact, if you don't know who James is, please do yourself a favour and check out his YouTube channel, X-Robots, especially his recent collaboration for eBay with Colin Furze. Now, I'll pop a link to that in the description below, but hey, even if you don't like epic feats of engineering, you'll love these videos, because the kids' faces when the thing is revealed are amazing stuff. Now, my local makerspace is something I co-founded with James and some amazing other people about 5 years ago. It's allowed me to do some really great stuff and meet some brilliant people, and I try and still help out where I can. And I'm not exactly sure what James plans to put on the stand just yet, but I think we said we'll have at least one 3D printer going, and a few projects from his videos, perhaps his Lego skateboard, as well as some member projects from the Makerspace. Now, I'm going to be playing with conductive Play-Doh and encouraging any little ones to have a go, because this stuff is great fun. We have squishy circuits, so thanks for that one, for some raffle prizes that we're going to give away in the event's raffle as well. And I'm also going to have some makeys going. I'm not sure exactly what I have planned yet, but maybe it'll be the normal stuff like banana keyboards. If you want to come find me at the show, I'll be wearing this So Make It t-shirt, which arrived today, and I'll be in stand C40 Hall 7 most of the weekend. Now, the channel is going great. I'm near 200 subscriptions at the time of recording, and I'm hoping to meet enough people this weekend to push that to at least 250. Now, I'm probably going to set up my sub counter on the stand to encourage things along. And I need to be serious here for a minute. It's been observed that for a majority of my videos, I'm sporting Super Mario lounge pants. Now, I feel I should answer the questions raised by this and perhaps give you an insight into the project process and how they facilitate things. So the most common question has been, do the lounge pants help? The answer? Yes. Yes, they do. Group challenges have simply been the best way of picking up new subscribers that I've found, and the most amount of fun, and everybody involved has just been fantastic. We've all encouraged each other along, and we've tried not to compete, but rather support each other. And the fact that there's a deadline as well, these are great to motivate me. But I need to be a little bit cautious not to take on too much, because I may have missed a couple of the deadlines on the ones I've done. Now, I'm definitely aiming to do more of this type of thing, although I do want to make sure I'm still not completely tied up, so I can still do my own videos and push out my own ideas. And I'm going to be looking for more collaborations in the future as well. In fact, I've got a few ideas lined up, and possibly meeting some people at Maker Central that may be able to do some stuff with me, so keep an eye out for that. Anyways, it's kind of late, and I need to be up early to get over to James's house so we can make our way to Birmingham. So I will have another video out hopefully this weekend, if we're not all out at these crazy after parties that I'm being warned about. So we'll see you soon.